Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I am looking at the Breitling Superocean Heritage II, and this is the 36mm size, which I think makes it such a great watch for a woman who wants a casual watch that will withstand anything that she throws at it. This watch has a rubber strap, and it makes it very comfortable and tactical and very modern. And Breitling also sells a lot of rubber straps online, so if you ever want to change up the look of this watch, you just order it directly from Breitling. This watch also has a white rubber bezel that is unidirectional, so it's completely dive ready. So this watch is 100% dive capable. And I think that the face on this watch is just so cool and modern. I love the half outlined numbers, and I just think it's such a unique dial that Breitling really gets right with their design choices. It's got a date window and a bright red seconds hand. So altogether, I just think this dial and this watch just has this really cool, clean look, and it's the Breitling aesthetic and design, but on a slightly smaller scale, which I think makes it a lot more accessible for women. This watch and all of our other Breitling watches are available at SwissWatchExpo.com.